And we have a start to race number 65. Premier
Race 65.
Semifinal. Lane 1, Stratford Dragonboat Club. Lane 2, Kiss. Lane 3, Ottawa Valley Gear Girls Premier Women. And Lane 4, OHDBC Premier Women. On the course right now, race number 65, Premier Women 500 meter semifinal. And first call to Marshall, race number 68. We are looking for Heat Senior C Women, North Lambton Super Strokers Juniors, Eric Hamber Eternal Dragon, and Ouroboros Platinum. We are looking for race number 68 to Marshall. And looking like lane number 3, Ottawa Valley Girls with a comfortable lead right now in this semifinal race. Valley Girls lane 3 looking very strong in this semifinal race.